Welcome to this tutorial on graph analysis. In this video, we'll be exploring the different layers that are available to help you investigate and analyze graphs. One of the most useful features is the Layers panel, which you can access by clicking on the icon at the bottom left of your screen. The entropy layer is particularly useful for identifying nodes with the highest entropy. This layer can be particularly useful when searching for encoded or encrypted data. For example, you can use it to quickly identify which binary has the highest entropy and is potentially packed in a set of binaries. Another important layer is the PageRank layer, which indicates the most important nodes in the graph being visualized. The PageRank algorithm is used by Google Search to rank web pages in search results. In this case, it assigns a score to a node based on its connections and the connections of its connections. PageRank is a way to measure the importance of nodes in a directed graph. So, there you have it. The Layers panel can be a very helpful tool to prioritize your graph analysis. With the entropy and PageRank layers, you can quickly identify nodes with high entropy and those that are most important. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and see you next time.